Hey everyone, in this video I want to go over the Hershey product extension idea assignment, and when I'm done the video is going to go right around here at the top of the instructions. This assignment, Hershey product extension idea, is designed to help you connect key consumer behavior concepts to real world brand strategies, specifically focusing on how brands like Hershey, that's our chosen brand we're working with, how Hershey applies these ideas to influence consumer decisions. Because really, ultimately, that's what it's about, right? When we, as a brand, create products and try to sell them, well, we want people to want to buy them. By breaking the projects into different parts. So I have it to where it's parts 4 to 9. You'll explore different parts of this overall strategy to influence consumer decisions. So it's going to be items like psychological, social, and economic factors that drive consumer behavior. And you're also going to learn how companies like Hershey use these insights to shape their marketing strategies. So, with all that said, it will make more sense as you connect your readings with the different aspects of this marketing strategy. So yeah, let's what I'm trying to say there is it'll probably make more sense as you actually dive into these different parts. So right now what I want to do is describe the different parts to help you connect those ideas to different consumer behavior ideas. So part 4, learning and motivation, you'll dive into how brands use principles of learning and memory to ensure that consumers remember their products and are motivated to make purchases. So I just think about the last time you have a need for something. Well, how do you remember, or how do you go about determining which brand will help you solve that problem? And if you can get your consumers, your target market, to think about your product whenever they have a need, I mean, that's great, right? The goal is to identify and apply the theories of consumer learning and motivation, explaining how these concepts are strategically used to create long term customer relationships. And then part 5, self, values, and lifestyle. This is where you'll analyze how brands appeal to different aspects of the consumer's identity. So now we're talking about all the other stuff that we've covered in the class so far, right? When it comes to our identities, whether it's our sense of self, lifestyle, or values. This part will help you understand how brands build deeper connections by aligning their products with what matters most to their target audience. And then part 6, the purchase process, you'll break down the consumer decision making process and apply it to your brand. This involves understanding each step customers take when making a purchase and recognizing how Hershey influences these decisions. And then part 7, retail execution. Well, now that you have your target audience thinking about your product to where, okay, I have this problem and they're the solution, well, we kind of have to connect them to a place where they can get it, right? So retail execution looks at the final stages of consumer behavior. What happens in the retail environment? Here, you'll evaluate how well the brand entices customers to buy their products in stores or suggest improvements in that process. And then part 8, social media. Well, we live in this world where potentially you might as well not exist if you don't have some kind of social media presence to communicate the stuff that you offer as a brand. So part 8 will allow you to explore the role of social power and digital strategies. Social media is a significant driver of consumer behavior today, and you'll investigate how your brand leverages social media to create influence, or you could also talk about how the brand can improve its digital presence. And then finally, part 9, the product extension idea, you'll get creative by proposing. So this is where you really just start thinking about, okay, everything you've studied about the brand. Well, now you're going to propose a new product line extension for your chosen Hershey brand, tying all the insights from consumer behavior into developing a new concept for the brand. And then there are also additional items on there. So I went ahead and gave you the details for the Hershey project final pitch. So that's looking to the end, the finish line, if you will. And recall from a previous assignment, the Hershey brand plus planner assignment, I had you all complete a document to spell out the different responsibilities. And so there are details there about that. So I'll let you read that. And then as far as proposing this product extension idea, I provided a worksheet that you will complete to help you navigate through your thoughts, your ideas for the product extension idea. So by the time you're done, you'll have a Word document in APA format with parts 4 to 9. And then you'll have your updated planner showing me the additional responsibilities just so I can keep track and just see how you all are working together. And then you'll have this completed Hershey extension worksheet. And then finally, so this is a group submission, so you only need one person to submit these 3 parts. And then for all teammates or team members, you will email your peer evaluation form.